Dark clouds are coming. Oh no, thunder and heavy rain.
Hey, find ways to prevent water.
Hey, I need a lot of sand. Look, McQueen and the off-road truck are pushing sandbags to block the water.
Yeah, we are so smart. Oh no! Help! Help me! Help!
Oh no! The dam broke and the flood buried McQueen in the monster truck.
This is the MC Queen.
Thank you so much.
Next is the Tarian.
Yahoo! Thank you.
Wait, what's that? Something's wrong. A snake?
Help! OMG is Truck and Monster Truck.
Ah, thank you.
Yay, thank you.
Thank you so much. Hey, we need a dam.
Everyone's safe now, but we need a stronger dam. Working together makes us safe.
I need a dam.
Okay, we will help you.
Go.
The trucks are on their way to help, just in time.
Hey, we come here.
The excavator's dropping sand to make the foundation. Buildings need a strong base. Time to get the cement ready. Mix the cement well. Make it strong. We need cement to make the dam strong and steady.
Wow, it's so great.
Yeah!
Thank you so much.
Like, share, and subscribe to see what we build next.
The dam is essential during the flood season to ensure safety.
Oh, yeah!
A car chase? What's going to happen? Stay tuned and subscribe for more fun ahead, friends!
What's up?
Uh-oh.
You are arrested for exceeding the speed limit.
Oh, no! Come on!
Oops, somebody's in big trouble. Let's kick back and see how they're gonna handle this. The police are here to tow their cars away. Uh-oh! They hit a railway snag! Oh no! They are totally stuck there! A train is approaching? Oh boy!
Oh no! Ah!
This is a disaster! Now everyone is hurt!
Oh no, that's terrible. I need to be rescued.
Okay! Come on! Look at me go!
Yay! Now first things first, let's get that train out of the way! Now, we need to get the injured car to safety. Hold on tight. Let's put back the broken wheels too. Here we go.
We need the bridge.
The police is right. We're gonna build a bridge, so no more accidents like this will happen in the future. All right, the materials are all set. That looks pretty good. Safety first. Don't forget the cement so our bridge will become stronger. Great! The cement is all smoothed out now.
Okay!
Awesome team! Now let's paint our bridge into a masterpiece. This is gonna look so good! Can you guess the color? It is coming together now! Fantastic! Look at that beautiful rainbow bridge!
Come on, guys, let's go!
Look, a wide river with no bridge. How can we cross it? He is thinking.
Let me see.
It looks like he has a plan. But is it safe? McQueen is placing a thin wooden plank as a bridge, but can it hold the weight?
I can do it.
OMG. Help, help, hurry up, hurry up.
Oh no, the bridge is shaking. Weak bridges can be very dangerous. Help!
Oh no, what's going on? I have to go get help.
Crash! The truck falls into the river. Always
There's an
check a
accident
bridge's
by the river.
safety before crossing.
Okay, let's start.
Look, the rescue team is rushing in. Teamwork always helps solve problems faster. The crane lowers its hook, carefully lifting the truck out of the water.
Yahoo, thank you very much.
Success. But this time, we
Let's
need
fix
to
the
build a
bridge.
strong
Okay,
and
let's
sturdy
start.
bridge. Look, they're clearing the broken pieces of the old bridge. Always clean up before building something new. The dump truck is pouring sand while the hands spread it evenly. A strong foundation is the key to a lasting bridge. Oh, they're pouring cement. Cement helps bond materials together and makes the bridge stronger.
Wow, it's so beautiful.
The hands are placing each brick. A strong bridge is built from even the smallest bricks.
Always prioritize safety. Never cross bridges that do not meet safety standards.
Yo, 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 yo!
Can you do something more useful than shoveling dirt?
Who do you say is useless?
What happened?
Help us! Help us!
If there is change, leave quickly. Let's roll out. Transform!
Transform! Let's go!
Hey!
Help us! Guys, save us from that monster!
This is no time to be afraid. Guys, follow me.
Go! 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 Go!
Come on! Come on!
1 hour later.
We completed the mission. Now it's your turn.
Okay, here goes.
Stop! Or I'll shoot! Hey!
You Okay, here goes. Much later.
Why are you crying?
Thanks, guys. You guys are great.
We win because we are united. You guys are good too. The animals are surrounding me.
Rescue team is here! Help!
Oh, hurry, they're breaking my car.
Bye, have a great time!
I need to build a zoo.
Let's go!
5 minutes later.
What happened?
I need to build a zoo.
Okay, we will help you. Bing bang! Hey!
The next day.
I'll transport the trees.
I'll load the grass.
Is everyone ready?
Let's go!
Yo, 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 yo!
Here come the trees.
Dumping the grass now.
Here we go!
Yo, 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 yo.
Okay, here goes.
Time for a special meal. Building a zoo keeps animals safe and happy. Hurry up, we need to do our duty. We need to be absolutely focused on the task.
Yes, sir!
Let's go! Go, 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 go!
Hey! What is this? Bing bang! The yellow gift is definitely for me! Oh my god, what is happening?
Oh my gosh! 5 minutes later.
Did you hear Yellow's voice? Huh? That's him. Looks like something happened. Come back quickly.
Let's go!
A few minutes later.
We need to help him. Let's roll out. Transform!
Transform!
Go, go, go!
Hey! Hey!
Come on, come on!
Oh yeah! Come on, you can do it!
You guys finally arrived! Help! Let me help you. Transform!
Okay, let's rope them and ride.
I'm done.
But why are you stuck here?
I'm curious about a gift box that doesn't belong to me.
It's just your curious nature.
If you know it doesn't belong to you, then don't be nosy.
Never, never again!
Now let's go save the world.
Let's go!
Hey! Bing bang!
So boring! What is this? "1 a.m. to X yard. Only you, if not your friends, will be in danger."
What are you doing?
Nothing. I'm busy. I go out.
Is he hiding something from me?
Hey!
Much later.
What will happen?
Oh my God!
Get out! We have to act. Transform!
NANI?
Come on!
If I can destroy this guy, I can rule the mud.
I can't wait. Transform!
Why is he here?
Let's go!
Why are you here?
Focus on fighting first. Water blast, go!
What should we do?
Don't worry.
Oh my God!
Hey! Blue!
Focus!
Why are you crying?
Just you wait, I won't let this go.
It was him!
Remember us when you were in trouble.
I'm sorry.
Sorry for nothing, no need.
We won anyway. Let's celebrate.
Oh yeah! Let's go!
Bye. Have a great time.
Goodbye!
Hey!
Come on, you can do it!
So sleepy.
Help me!
10 years later.
Bridge collapse, send rescue team.
Oh no! Let's go!
Transform! Let's roll out. Transform!
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 Let's go!
Hey!
Police! Hello?
Let me first.
Help!
Got you, buddy.
Oh, yes! Thank you!
So easy for me.
Hey guys, abracadabra! Let me help you.
Wow, that's really great.
It's amazing!
Thank you very much.
5 minutes later.
Let's do it together.
Okay, here we go.
We need the construction team.
Okay already.
Yo, 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 yo!
Cement is coming. Pouring cement, glug, glug, glug. Let me smooth the way.
Much later.
I'll flatten the road.
Oh yeah!
You guys are amazing.
Hard work is great, but rest is important too.
Thank you. I'll be more careful.
Let's go!
Bye, have a great time. Good to see you.
Stay safe. We are ready to help you at any time.
Goodbye!
Wait.
Meanwhile.
Team, get ready for action.
Let's roll out. Transform! Please here, keep calm.
Transform. I'll lift everyone to safety.
Transform. It's action time.
Hey! Hey!
Come on.
There's much to do.
Let's get started.
I got a bad feeling about this.
Hooray! Okay already.
We need to complete the cross-track quickly to let the train pass.
What are you waiting for? Let's do it.
Go, go, go!
Come on, come on!
Water blast, go.
Ten years later.
Hey, stop!
Time to check again.
Oh yeah!
Amazing!
Here we go. Water blast, go.
Much later.
Wow, that's really great!
We can do it if we are determined.
Meanwhile.
Hey!
Hey, this TV will be mine. What?
Who stole my TV?
Let's get out of here.
Stop right there, thief!
chicken!
Phew. Almost hit it.
Okay, I'm back!
Oh no, I'm stuck too.
Oh my, what happened here?
Help me!
Quick, let's rescue them. Be careful.
Sorry, let me try again.
Come on, come on!
Let's go!
Phew. Thank you so much, friends. Must clean and refresh the road.
Hello, we need road repair right now.
5 minutes later.
We are here to help! Be careful!
Let's go!
Time to build a concrete road!
A few moments later.
I come here!
Much later.
All done, the brand new road is ready.
Stealing is quick, but trouble is quicker.
I'm sorry, everyone. I won't do that again.
Goodbye!
Bye. Have a great time.
All week long.